Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add an Instagram link to your Facebook account. So in order to do this, it's actually quite easy, so I'll just immediately jump into the tutorial. So the first thing what you actually need to do is go right here on Facebook, and you want to go to your menu in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then literally all you need to do is go right here and click on see your profile, and then what we can easily do is click on edit profile right here. Then you have a lot of options right here, but what we're going to do is scroll all the way to the bottom till we find links and click on add link. Here you can add your social links. So what you want to do is click on add social link. You want to type in a username and you want to make sure to select the platform. So we're going to use Instagram, of course, and as username you want to make sure to type in your correct username. So my username is datsfactsjt_. So I'm going to type in datsfacts and then yt and then underscore, and literally all you need to do right there is click on save. And then when I go to my profile right here, I refresh it a bit, we can see that right here Instagram just popped up, and when you click on it, it will automatically bring me to my Instagram account. So that's how you can add your Instagram link to your Facebook account. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.